Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
The given question is, in a class of 35 students are numbered from 1 to 35. The ratio of boys to girls is 4:3. The roll numbers of the students begin with boys and end with girls. Find the probability that a student selected is either a boy with prime roll number or a girl with composite roll number or an even roll number. So what is given to us is that there is class 10th 35 and students are numbered from 1 to 35, and it is also given that the ratio of boys to the girl is 4:3. The roll number begins with the boy, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. It starts from boys and it ends with girl, that is 35. The number 35 will go to a girl. Find the probability that a student selected is either a boy with the prime roll number or a girl with composite roll number or an even number. And the probability of finding such a event is nothing but probability of finding three events, that is event A or event B or event C. This is an example for the same. So we have n of s is equal to 35, that is number of students is equal to 35. It is also given that ratio of boys to the girls is 4:3. Hence the number of boys can be found out by n of b is equal to 4/7. 7 is the sum of these ratios. So n of b is equal to 4/7 into 35, which is equal to 20. And the number of girls can be found out by 3/7 into 35, which is equal to 15. It is given that the roll number starts with boys and ends with girl. So we have b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 20, since number of boys is equal to 20. And then the girls roll number starts from 21, 22, etc. up to 35. That is g is equal to 21, 22, 23, etc. up to 35. Let A be the event that the boy is with the prime roll number. We need to find the probability of A. So from this, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 20, we need to find the event A. So A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. up to, that is 11, 13, 17 and 19. Hence these numbers are prime roll numbers which a boy gets. That is A is the event that the boy is with the prime roll number can be given as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, and hence we have n of A is equal to 8. In order to find the probability of A, we use the formula that is used to find the probability of an event, and the probability of an event is given by P of A is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of favorable outcomes. In our case, number of favorable outcome is 8 and total number of favorable outcome is 35. Hence we have P of A is equal to 8/35. Next, let us find the event that the girl gets composite roll number. Let that event be C. So our C is equal to 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Hence we get n of C is equal to 12. In order to find the probability of C, we again use the formula P of A is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of favorable outcomes, which is equal to n of C divided by n of S, and which is again equal to 12/35. Let us take the next event that the student gets an even roll number to be E. So E is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. In this event E, the student can either be a girl or a boy, that doesn't matter, but the selected student should get an even roll number. So n of E is equal to 70. Again, in order to find the probability of the event E, we are again using the formula P of A is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of favorable outcome. P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S, which is equal to 17 by 35. Actually, we need to find the probability of getting A or C or E. And P of A union C union E is given by the formula P of A plus P of C plus P of E minus P of A intersection C minus P of C intersection E minus P of E intersection A plus P of A intersection C intersection E. We already have the values of P of A, P of C and P of E. We need to find the values of P of A intersection C, P of C intersection E, P of E intersection A and P of A intersection C intersection E. Let us find out one by one. First, let us find the value of P of A intersection C. A is nothing but probability, that is A is nothing but the event that a boy gets selected is with prime number, and C is the event that the girl gets composite roll number, which is independent. These two events are independent, and hence we have A intersection C to be empty, that is equal to 0. Hence we have N of A intersection C is equal to 0, which implies P of A intersection C is equal to N of A intersection C divided by N of S, which is equal to 0 by 35. 0 by anything is again 0. So we have P of A intersection C is equal to 0. Next, let us find P of C intersection E. C intersection E is equal to 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34, and hence we have N of C intersection E to be 7. By using the same formula that we used earlier in order to find the probability of an event, we get P of C intersection E as 7 by 35. Next, let us find the value of let us find the probability of E intersection A. In order to find the probability of E intersection A, we need to find the value of N of E intersection A. So E intersection A is equal to 2, and hence we have N of E intersection A is equal to 1, and so we get P of E intersection A is equal to 1 by 35. Since all the three events are mutually independent, that is, one doesn't happen with the other, so we have A intersection C intersection E is equal to 0, and this can also be found out by the values that we have found for A, C and E. These two can have common elements which are 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34, but when we intersect C and intersection E with A, it gets 0, and hence we have probability of A intersection C intersection E as 0. And also we know that P of A union C union E, which is equal to P of A plus P of C plus P of E minus P of A intersection C minus P of C intersection E minus P of E intersection A plus P of A intersection C intersection E. And now we have all the values. So by substituting these values, we have 8 by 35 plus 12 by 35 plus 17 by 35 minus 0 minus 7 by 35 minus 1 by 35 plus 0. So we have 29 by 35 as probability of A union C union E.